Rebecca?
64.
Yes. Okay, so Freddy the fish, here's how he works. Freddy is constantly on the prowl for food. And he wants to find as much food as he can. He always wants to eat the bigger amount of food. Okay? So which number would Freddy the fish want to eat then? Abe, is that your handy enough? Okay, Abe.
He would make all of them.
Which would he's gonna face?
He would definitely.
He's gonna face either this way or this
87.
way. 87. Absolutely. Because 87 is the bigger number. Okay.
Why do you get to make Freddy the fish? You don't make Freddy the fish.
Well, because it's not art class. Freddy the fish is actually just a tool today. He's not.
Can we do that?
He's not a toy or an art project. Just a tool. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a couple different numbers, and I want to volunteer to come up and face Freddy the proper way. So which number would Freddy eat? Jordan, come on up. You can face him the proper way. You'll have to put some sticky tape on. So which number is he going to eat? Yes, very good. Do you agree with that, grade ones?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So Freddy would go for the number 31. What about these numbers? Megan, what numbers are these? You can come on up, but what numbers are they?
41.
Not quite.
So she's looking at that one.
No, I'm pointing at this one.
14. 14.
14, and what's this one?
21.
41, right. So, which number does Freddy the fish want to eat? Yeah.
What is
He's going to want to eat the number 41 because there's more food, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a couple more numbers. How about... How about these numbers? Johnson, you were ready? Yes. You were saying that I was so ready. What numbers are they first? Can you read the numbers for us?
8 and 90.
Okay, so which number is Freddy going to go for?
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah.
That's upside down.
It's alright. Yeah, Freddy's going to want to eat number 98 because there's more.
I put it upside down. I need a pencil. And can I also get the next one?
No, does anybody have a pencil that Levi can borrow? You don't really need a pencil right now.
No, we don't go.
All right. Now, I'm going to write the numbers a little bit differently now.
1, 2. What's that?
Okay, so we're going to pretend these are all...
10, 30. It's 30.
Okay.
It's 30. Say party. I'm a good party.
All right. Okay, so I don't have the number written out. We're going to use 10 rods and then 1. So can somebody come up? Sebastian, come on up. Figure this out for me. How many are here? Or there. You can start on whichever side. Okay, 30.
And 27.
So count again. So there's 20 here. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4.
28.
28. Beautiful.
Who's that fishy?
Right here. So which one is Freddy the Fish
Yeah.
going to eat?
Yeah. How one?
Does he like to eat the smaller numbers?
No. The bigger one. He's at the bigger one.
But he needs to face it. He's gonna go take a big.
But he is. Oh no, he is.
Okay.
Put the
Okay.
eye upside down. Yeah.
So remember, Freddy always wants to eat the most amount of food. So he's gonna go catch his food. He's facing the one that he wants to eat. So is Freddy facing the right direction right now?
No.
No. Can somebody come up and make an adjustment, Jordan B? So there's 28 pieces of food here and 30 pieces of food there. Which one does he want to eat?
What else is there?
Are we good? Oh, do we agree? Sorry, Jordan.
No. Yes.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Yay.
All right.
Don't we have to cut out our Freddy the Fishes?
So you trace your Freddy the Fishes. So, grade 1?
Yeah, I need.
So every single time we try to determine two numbers, if one is greater than or less than, we don't have time to draw a whole fish. It does, thank you. Can you go sit down, honey? Try to stay in your seat for the lesson. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple numbers again. Okay. So we don't always have time to draw a whole fish, right? And as we get older and we do math, and it's a little bit more difficult, and we do it more frequently or more often, we don't have time to draw a fancy Freddy the Fish. Okay? Dawson, put your scissors in your desk.
But I won't pretend this is Freddy the Fish to eat the number.
Okay, but maybe keep it on your desk because you have it really close to your hair. I don't want you to snip your hair last time. Okay, so then we have to learn the greater than and the less than symbol. Okay? So, like Freddy the Fish, pretend the symbol is Freddy's mouth. Okay? Freddy always wants to eat the bigger number. So which one would he want to eat, Rebecca? 53 or 75? 75. So, greater than. So 75 is greater than 53. Okay? So the mouth is always going to be facing the bigger number. Do you see how I did that? How it kind of looks like his mouth?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the less than, so the pointy side, the side that comes together, will go to the smaller number. Does that make sense, grade 1?
Yes.
Okay, so let's practice a couple times without Freddy the Fish and just doing the symbol. So,
Freddy the Fish. Freddy the Fish.
what are these two numbers here? Tirza?
It's 12 and 21.
Okay, so which number is greater than? The greater number.
21.
Yeah, 21. So how would I draw my symbol this way, or would I draw it this way? Does Freddy the Fish want to eat the smaller number or the bigger number? The smaller. Try it again. Do you want me to put the numbers slower for you? You don't have to jump up, or do you want to climb up? Okay? Restart. Okay. Look at my symbols. Look at how this S is going. Which one are you going to draw here? Yeah? Oh, not quite. So, think of it as Freddy's mouth. Does he want to eat the smaller number? No, he always wants to eat lots of food. Freddy's very greedy.
This is table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Very good. Tirza. Thank you. Yeah. Gotcha. All right. Thank you. So 12 is less than 21, and 21 is greater than 12.
18.
Can I get another volunteer, please? Sorry. Thank you, Tirza. Can I get another volunteer to come and draw the symbol? Willow, come on up, my friend.
Well, already went.
So is 47 greater than or less than 13? How do we do it? Beautiful. Do we agree with that, grade 1? Yeah. Thank you so much. 47 is greater than 13. What about... What about these two numbers? Is 93 greater than or less than 86? Isabel, come on up. Beautiful. Do we agree, grade 1s?
I can't even see it.
Is that good?
It looks like it's 7.
That's okay. Does that look good though? Yeah, that's right. 93 is greater than 86. What about this one?
Oh, just that.
4 and 72. Rebecca, come on up. Is 4 greater than or less than 72? Beautiful. 47 is less than 70. Or sorry, 4 is less than 72. Awesome. Thank you, Rebecca. Grade 1s, how do we feel about this? Give me the thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs to the side indicator. How do we feel about this? I want it nice and high. Okay, so thumbs up if you I feel good about this. I'm ready to start my work. Thumbs down. We need to do some more practice questions. How do we feel? Okay, still a few thumbs down. We'll do a few more questions.
Can I do it? Can I do one?
We will see.
Can I do one?
Yeah, I'm going to pick people that are sitting quietly with their hand up. Okay, let's do... Evan, come on up.
Ivan,
Is 27 greater than or less than 84? Beautiful. Good job, my friend. 27 is less than 84. We're going to have to do a few more. Jordan Beaky, I want you for this one.
I haven't had a turn yet. You already did one, Jordan Beaky. What? You already did one.
That's fine. I'm picking who I want to pick. Is 92 greater than or less than 71? Beautiful. That's right. Freddy the fish is going to want to eat 92 pieces of food. All right. A, why don't you come up for this one?
Again?
I don't want to hear any again, nothing. Is 32 greater than, or sorry, is 37 greater than or less than 42?
Okay, I need this.
Is 37 greater than or less than 42?
Greater? wants the greater one.
Yes.
It wants this
Freddy the
one.
fish is going to eat the greater one. So which way is that? So is 37 a bigger number than 42? Okay, so why would it be greater then? Greater means bigger, more.
That's bigger than
Yes, but we're trying to figure out. Like, so if that's bigger, Freddy the fish wants to eat the bigger one. So which way would it go?
this.
Yes, exactly. So then this is telling us, because this side is facing 37, that 37 is less than 42. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, beautiful. Have a seat, my friend. Thank you so much. All right, give me the thumb indicator. How do we feel now?
It's
Feel better? Not so sure, June? You feel good about it? You guys feel like you could do your work now? I want an honest answer. Johnson, you don't feel so good about it yet? Okay.
So I didn't get a turn. That's why I don't feel.
Oh, see, that's not a reason to continue with the lesson because you didn't get a turn. So then that tells me we're ready to move on. Okay. Everyone on page 211. I don't want to see any pencils moving. I want everybody listening to the instructions. Important information. Yes, Isabel. Okay, but I still want you to follow along, okay? So we're ready. Megan, Weston, I need all eyes. All eyes on me.
Oh, I like it.
Weston, my friend, you do not look ready to learn right now. You shouldn't have started. No one should have started yet. Maybe I should have made that a little bit clearer at the beginning. But I think the last couple of days we talked about that. Okay, so page 211. Number 1 and 2 says trace Freddy the fish. Trace his mouth in red and his body in pencil. So you will need a red pencil crayon or crayon. You are going to trace his mouth. The mouth is the most important part, right? That is going to be greater than or less than symbol. That's going to help us practice drawing. For number 3 and 4, it shows numbers in many different ways. So for number 3, it shows diamonds. For 5, it shows ovals. For 4, it shows our 10 rods. And then for 6, it shows the tally mark or the tick. Okay? So the directions for these ones say circle the group that Freddy will eat. So Freddy's always going to want to eat what? More or less? Willow?
More.
More. That's right. Thank you.
There has to be more.
He's always going to want to eat more. So let's just quickly look. You don't have to do it, but let's look at number 3. The red diamonds. Reddish pinkish diamonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diamonds are in the first set, and 3 diamonds are in the second set. So which one is Freddy going to want to eat? Willow? Isabel? The one that has 5 in it. Yeah, so you're going to circle the group that has 5 in it. Now let's jump down to, it's from number 7 all the way to number 12. It says draw Freddy fish. Face him towards the greater number. The fish or the first one is done for you. So it shows you. So it shows you 14 and 39, and it shows Freddy the fish trying to eat the number 39. So you're going to draw a little fish for all of these, and you're going to face the fish in the direction of the greater number, the bigger number. Are we all good with that?
Yeah.
Everybody, do we understand that?
Yes.
So far, so good? Okay, let's move on. Yes, Evan.
Can we do the next speech together?
Let's flip the page. I'm going to go over it with you guys.
Okay, I'm gonna make it.
Just draw like the best fish you can. mind, guys. What I am most concerned about is that you show me the greater than or less than symbol in the fish's mouth. It doesn't have to be fantastic art skills, but the mouth needs to.
Can you just circle it?
No, at the very least, if you don't want to draw the fish, at least draw one of these symbols. Okay? And the mouth is facing the bigger number.
I know.
Okay, now, for numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, and the little bubbles, you are going to draw the greater than or less than symbol. Okay? You are going to draw it in, so the greater than, you will write it in red, less than in blue, and then jump down to 19 all the way to 24. It says write the sum or difference. Compare the answers. Draw Freddy the fish. The first one is done for you. So the sum, what does sum mean again? Bronwyn?
A sum is, so you like have to write the answer.
It's the answer, that's right. So you see those little gray bubbles, everyone?
Yeah.
You see the little gray bubbles? Yeah, so that's where you write the answer. So 3 plus 4 is what? Isabel? You're going to write the greater than or less than symbol in the bubble. So is 7 greater than? Here, I'll do it for you.
Is 7?
We'll do it together. So I'm going to grab red and blue. So let's go back up to the top part of page 212. So we have 7, and we have 9, and then we have this bubble. Okay? So is 7 greater than or less than 9? Yeah, Isabel? Less than. So we will do it in blue. 7 is less than 9. Let's do another one. Let's do number 15. So this is number 13. Let's do number 15. The one right beside it. So we have 16 with then a bubble and then 15. Is 16 greater than or less than 15? Is 16 greater than or less than 15? Willow. Greater than. So then you're going to do it in red. Just like that. Does that make sense now? Yeah? Okay, sounds good. So you're going to just be drawing the symbol. You don't have to worry about drawing a whole fish. Okay, so now for number 19 all the way to 24, you figure out the answers. So the sum or the total for the question. So what is 3 plus 4? What is 3 plus 4? Jordan F. 7. So in that little gray bubble underneath, you're going to write a 7. Now beside it, 9 plus 1. What is 9 plus 1? Bronwyn?
10.
10. So then you're going to write a 10 in the gray bubble. So our answers are 7 and 10. Okay? So 7 and 10. Is 7 greater than or less than 10? Willow, is your hand up? Yeah? Is 7 greater than or less than 10? Less than. That's right. So we're going to face Freddy the fish because this one says to draw a fish. We will draw him this way. Less than. And remember, the mouth is what I'm the most concerned about. Okay? Grade ones, are we good to go?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to float around. Now, I want everybody working independently, okay? And really give it your absolute best shot. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.